In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll all the way down, and when you're ready, hit Accessibility Features. Then select one-handed mode and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. To enter one-handed mode, using gesture navigation, slide your finger across the button of the screen and hold. If you are using buttons, do exactly the same without holding. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you need to click on this black area. If you want to use your screen on the opposite side, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!